it's a SRT, this ain't no Mazda. Hello, my bitch bad as hell. I'm just spraying off on me, my India. Bitch, remove. What do YouTube? It's your boy Bright, back with a new video. Today we are getting my Durango Srt, you know what I'm saying? About that time, you know what I'm saying? About to go to the dealership, get right. Look at the outfit today.
Yo, chest on my neck and my arm. Chest on my neck and my arm. Oh.
Well, saying goodbye to the Beamer. I wanted to miss this car, have some fun in it. We definitely had some fun in it with the guys. But we did get through, you know what I'm saying? Tight shit. You feel me? You did that way. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, this shit glossing too. This shit glossing too. Tight shit. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. I'm smiling right now. I'm smiling like this. And we plugged in with BT. No, we know Dre, you know what I'm saying? Dr. Dre, that's my cousin. Tight shit. Fuck you talking about, like. So we been out here. SRT shit. We been out here. You know what it be when we went Brody and them cousin them around, you know what I'm saying? Squad and them, phone them around. Shit. You feel me though? Like, Louis on me, SRT on me, Louis on me. Like, I got seats, I got rows on top of rows. I got fit my holes here. Can fit them back, so I can flip those seats up and get. All right, I'm back. Camera died on me, tight shit. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, can fit the holes back here too. Fuck you telling me, you know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then me right here. 5, you know what I'm saying? I'm really out here doing shit for we are here, you know what I'm saying? We out here, tight shit, you feel me? Doing shit for real. Doing something right. Remember early in the year we couldn't even get the Beamer. Now I'm out here doing this, so doing something right, tight shit.
I'm just spraying off on me, my India. Bitch, remove. Yeah, I hope you don't get no fucking ticket. You don't drive fast now, but you're alright. If BJ get this bitch, he ain't got no license.
This nigga, man. Fuck out my way, pull side, nigga. Lame ass shit. Fuck you to my. I can't even put this on while I'm driving because this nigga wanna call me on the phone. I'm in phone. I'm like, do not disturb. And this Ross boy keep calling me upon this damn phone. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? I just scared the fuck out of myself, I ain't gonna lie. I could fit in there, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna lie, this car just scared me. It should just jump. This shit just scared the fuck out of me. Is he making it right? I can't tell because it's big body. I used to be dusty, like I can't see, bitch. I'm pretty sure he's gonna make it right here. Did he? Yeah, he did. Okay, I know where I'm at now. This nigga come right here in front of me, bitch head nigga on a dead. Like, come on. Yeah, let's go, nigga. Let's go, nigga. Line up, nigga. Line up, nigga. Alright, fuck you to my. Niggas don't want no smoke with me, niggas. I'm finna. I wanna race, nigga. If nigga got it, if you buy that shit, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna line up with some nigga and race him, bro. Cause niggas around here be, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna line up with some nigga. I don't need gas. I'm good. I'm gonna line up with some nigga. They gonna feel my pain. Damn, like, what time is it? Like, why do I see so much damn cars out here on a Monday? It ain't workout, right? Like, niggas supposed to be on work, like. Well, now he wanna go fast, bitch. And what's a Mustang? What's up? What's up? I don't know shit about Mustangs. I don't even know if that's a fast one, a slow one, but like, what's up though? What's up though? Well, yeah, get the fuck out the way, nigga. It's so big. Like, come on. Damn, he ain't gonna have no fun with me. Damn, I should have went in that lane. Damn, traffic is crazy as fuck today. Like, what the fuck? I'm mad to take the cats out this shit. Oh my gosh. I can't wait till I take the cats out this shit. Now, wide body with the rims full of balls. Oh, that shit hard. That shit hard. I low-key want one of those. That shit hard. See, now I want to race him. But he all the way up there. Damn, the traffic is mad heavy. Oh yeah, you can get burned. It's probably an IS 250. Some type of IS. I can't have no fun today. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you, my nigga. He probably hate that I'm behind him and shit making all this noise. I need to go on the highway because this is crazy. I need to go on the highway. Like in Mexico, like this shit's crazy. Like all this traffic in Mexico is crazy. Nigga really trying, you know what I'm saying? Tight shit. Like this shit blowing my hot word too. I gotta get in this right lane. I can't wait till I finish this car. I don't want to get behind this big ass, dusty ass truck though. Well, you might be going where I'm going. I'll wake up. Need a pickup? There's no way you about to stop when I'm trying to get in my bag. Nigga, I'm trying to get my Birkin. It's working. Bomboclats. Ross. I love this car. I love it. I love it here. Fuck you tell me. I love this shit. And it's not even loud yet right now. Like, boy, I can't wait, man. When this shit loud, like, man, neighbors gonna know my name. I just want an ignorant, loud ass car. Like, if you a car head, you know what I'm talking about. You just want a car to be loud for no reason, just to make noise. You could be going 20, it's like you're going 80, just because. I just love that shit. Every car I had, I make it loud. I love that shit. Just makes the experience more fun. Like, I'm more in tune. You know what I'm saying, with the beast. You feel me? I'm really not talking about shit, but we doing good. I got a whole plan for this car. I want to get the car wrapped black. Nah, I'm not gonna tell y'all everything, but it's not with the car black. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see as you know what I'm saying, as months go by and I upload and shit. You know what I'm saying? But I got a project plan for this car. It's gonna be one. You know what I'm saying? Like, I be in Mexico driving, but I'll be out in Florida doing some shit. You know what I'm saying? So I need car friends. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go to car meets. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to build some motion, build some ties, some connections. So if y'all stay around the Miami, Palm Beach area, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up, you know what I'm saying? Sir Bright. It's pretty much Sir.Bright. My IG name, 3 eyes. You know what I'm saying? Tap in with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get right. I need car friends. I need a mechanic. You know what I'm saying? If you my mechanic, we gonna make motion. We gonna build content. We gonna go from the top to bottom together. You know what I'm saying? Don't tax me though. Don't tax me, like, cause I ain't got no mechanic. So like, when I do get shit done to this car, it's just random mechanic shops I go to. But if I have a mechanic got plug, no socket, like I can really make motion. I can really get shit for the deal. You know what I'm saying? We can really make. You know what I'm saying? We can really. Oh shit! So we can really. You know what I'm saying? We can really get to it. You know what I'm saying? That's the same ass truck. I just realized that. Damn, I don't know where my cousin at. He burnt the fuck out of that nigga. Yeah, he going to the same spot I'm going to. There's hella traffic today. I don't know why. I really ain't burn that much gas either. Damn, the hell people at the gym today. Shit back into the spot. Kinda already fucked up. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, I'm a good driver, but I'm a terrible parker. Damn, this nigga behind me, he was right there the whole time. Good driver, terrible parker. I don't know why. I have a skill set. I have my badges maxed out 99 over when it comes to parking. Terrible parker on BD. Like, how the fuck does this shit switch to neutral? Come on, you got this. You follow the greens. Follow the green. Come on, like you drawing like a picture. You know what I'm saying? Yup. Stay inside the line. Stay inside the line. I fucked up a little bit. I fucked up. I don't care. Nobody knows. I'm editing this out.